Join me as I put these budget travel hacks to the test and see if I can travel for a week on less than $300 in 2025. Traveling on a budget doesn't have to be a challenge. With the right strategies, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. In 2025, budget travel is all about being smart, flexible, and resourceful. I'm excited to share my top budget travel hacks to help you save money on your next adventure. Rising travel costs and inflation are making it tough to travel on a shoestring budget. Accommodation prices are skyrocketing, and flights are getting more expensive by the day. Many travelers are finding it hard to afford their dream trips. With the cost of living increasing, it's essential to find ways to cut costs without compromising on the travel experience. Another challenge is finding affordable accommodations that are safe and comfortable. It's tough to find a place to stay that's within your budget and meets your expectations. And then there are the added expenses like food, transportation, and activities that can quickly blow your budget. To make matters worse, many popular destinations are becoming overcrowded and overpriced. It's hard to find a quiet and affordable spot to relax and enjoy your travels. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about some practical travel hacks that'll help you save money. One of my favorite hacks is using flight comparison websites to find the cheapest flights. You can also use budget airlines and book in advance to get the best deals. When it comes to accommodations, consider staying in hostels or guest houses, which are often cheaper than hotels. Another hack is to use travel apps that help you find discounts and deals on activities and attractions. Apps like Hopper and Skyscanner can help you find affordable flights and accommodations. You can also use Travel Rewards credit cards to earn points and miles that can be redeemed for flights and hotels. One of the most impactful hacks is using lesser-known resources like error fares and mistake prices. These are mistake fares that airlines offer due to technical glitches or human error. You can snag flights for a fraction of the usual price if you're quick and flexible. Another game changer is using accommodation alternatives like house sitting or couch surfing. These options can save you a ton of money on accommodation costs and give you a more authentic local experience. To recap, some of the most effective budget travel hacks include using flight comparison websites, staying in budget accommodations, and taking advantage of travel apps and rewards credit cards. By making a few simple adjustments to your travel style, you can enhance your travel experience without breaking the bank. If you have your own budget travel hacks, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and share your tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. In my next video, I'll be sharing my top packing hacks for budget travel, so be sure to check it out.